Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to add music in Canva. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply open Canva, and after that, after you log into your account, you're gonna have to simply click on the search bar, and then I usually go with video. So simply search for video and click on this one here. And after that, you're gonna get redirected here where you can basically choose any of these templates, but I'm gonna create a blank video for this tutorial. And then here you can basically add the footage of your video. And basically after that, what you're gonna have to do is to simply go to uploads here, and then simply click on upload files, and then simply upload your music. And then you can simply go to audio, as you can see here, and basically you can simply select the music that you want to add to your video in Canva. Or if you want, you can go to elements, and if you scroll down, you should have some free music to use in your video. So let me search for them. So let's go to apps here, and then go to audio, and here. So if you go to apps and then go and scroll down to audio and click on audio, you can see that you have different music that you can use. So simply click, and then it's gonna be added automatically to your timeline in Canva. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.